Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Then another way to check the IMEI number is to go to the settings. So let's tap on them. So here in the settings, we have to scroll and find General and go to About. After scrolling down, you can see that both IMEI numbers are also available right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.